Beginner Vocal Licks Edition. Okay, today we have Toni Braxton, Unbreak My Heart. We're going to scroll 1 minute and 14 seconds in. Let's check out this lick. Okay. Let's play that again. We're gonna. I cried so many nights. Nights. Okay, so it's not nights, it's nights. Can you guys hear a difference there? I cried so many nights. Okay, nights. There's only 3 notes to this lick. Na na na. Wow, that looked like I was slipping. Okay, there are only 3 notes to this lick. Na 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 na. We get it. I'm gonna draw out how I break down licks though, because I made the mistake already. Okay, so this is how I would draw out this particular lick. I hope you guys can see that. Maybe I should put it on this way for the light. Okay. So we have the beginning of, she's basically singing this, the word night for this lick, right? Night. Okay, so we're going to start off with the N sound here. We're going to carry this N sound only to the end of that first little portion of that note. Na. We still have to do the hi after. So what I do, my little trick, is instead of putting like a lilt here, instead of going night, the way she does it, or the way it sounds, is it sounds a little bit faster. So it sounds like we get rid of that lilt, that joining sound, and instead we almost put like an H sound. So night. It's not really an H, it's just a way to break up the notes here. Okay, so it's not like night, it's really night. Okay, so the way that I would write this is I would write ni, like I'm going to start saying the word night. This is blocking, isn't it? Maybe I need to go back to this. Oh gosh, my goodness, I'm going to get this figured out one day, guys. Night. And so now we're going to finish the rest of this word. So it sounds like she's singing the word height, like how tall you are. So it's almost like nigh height. So when you sing these notes together, da, 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 you sing it quicker. Height, night, night. And then you sing it this way, night. I cried so many nights. Oops, S. Heights. Nigh heights. Okay? I cried so many nights. Does that make sense? So that is how I break down this particular Toni Braxton lick. If you want to learn how to break down other licks, I've got beginner, intermediate, and advanced licks on this channel, so be sure to check them out. And if you want to take a deeper dive into this, you can check out my course called Singing by Ear. It's linked in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe.